What is going on, guys? Okay, so I have built a pretty cool agent, or agents, should I say, that's going to help me with my AI visibility when it comes to SEO. So what does that basically mean? Well, I'm wanting to understand if Triggerfy is ranking in any search queries, if someone is searching for something in Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, whatever it is, basically. So this is how I've done it, and I've used n8n to allow me to do this. So first of all, let's have a look. So I have this kind of agentic automation running where, first of all, we're using n8n's new table feature here to get rows from a database. And so in this database, I have all of the different search terms. And so what happens is my team comes in here and they'll add a search term if we want to see if we're being tracked or talked about within any kind of LLMs. So it's as simple as coming in here and saying, okay, maybe you're searching for the top social signal tools for B2B. So I add that in, and that's now going to pull through into this search query whenever this basically runs. At the moment, I'm hitting it manually to run it, but I'm going to change this to a schedule, and it will check for me every day. What happens then is it's going to hit this master agent, which controls these three sub-agents. At the moment, I'm using Perplexity, Gemini, and Claude. So it's searching Perplexity, it's searching Gemini, and it's searching Sonnet at the moment. I need to add ChatGPT into here as well. And what it's doing is it's taking the search term and it's searching it across these models, and then it's looking at all of the citations that this model is doing, and then everything that is talked about, spoken about, everything from the that data coming back. So how does this actually look? So I've created an additional table inside of here called AI SEO results. And what this is doing is this is showing me the search term that it's basically searched for. So we can see here, this one was find me the top 10 social listening companies. I have all of the citations. So these are all of the sources that the LLM used to go and find this list. Then it's broken down into the category. So news psych was 1, 3 were company blogs, and 1 was other. Oh, and then didn't mean to do that. And then these are the companies that were mentioned as well. So Sprinkler, Brandwatch, Talkwalker, Meltwater, Sprout Social, Mention, Hootsuite, Buffer, so on and so on, right? And then it gives me the LLM that it was using. And then we also have, is Triggerfy, was Triggerfy mentioned? And, pretty cool here. So this one was, find me the top 10 B2B social signal tools. We are coming up in Claude. Rock on. So really good way of just understanding, are you getting the visibility, working out what sources are being constantly referenced, so that maybe you can even try and think about some backlinks into these sources, or how you could get some mentions, how you could start to potentially stack rank yourself against these competitors, so on and so on. And you can build another agent that taps into this information to surface all of this to you, which is currently what I'm in the process of doing. But as always, if you want access to this and you just want to get some light level understanding, are you being spoken about in these different LLMs? What are the sources being cited, and what are the companies being talked about currently? Then let me know and drop a comment below, and I will share the tab with you.